What is up, my good people? Styles here, back at you with another video. If you guys are new to my channel, take a second, get subscribed. It is 100% free and I totally appreciate it. So if you happen to miss the title, we're talking about shirts today. More in particular, sublimation shirts. We got 3 to share with you guys, so stick around. Talk about the price, the sizing, and the feel of these shirts. And with some of the 60 seconds, we'll catch up. You know how it is. It's been a minute. This is Styles. You guys are kind, and hey, 60 seconds, 400 degrees, meet at the heat press. Oh, I lied. We'll talk about the t-shirts, and then we'll get to the heat press. Okay, so first off, we got this Cricket brand shirt here. Now, in terms of this Cricket brand shirt, quality is pretty decent. They're $5 when you find them on sale. They come in gray and white, and for the women, they have a V-neck option. The only bad part of these shirts, though, is that they do run a bit small, and they only go to a 3X. So bear that in mind. But at $5 and 95% polyester, this is a great option to stay pressed very well and hold the ink. I've done several videos, so feel free to check one of those out. Next up, if the sizing is a concern for you, we got this new shirt, Make by Market, found at Michaels. By the way, all of these shirts in this video can be found at Michaels. This Make by Market is going to be a $7.99 for 100% polyester. They also do offer 100% cotton at $5.99 from a small to a 3X. This shirt, in terms of cut and sizing, is going to be the best of all 3. They're going to be more cut like a traditional t-shirt, and they're going to be very flattering with room to spare. Only drawback, though, is that these shirts are a bit see-through, so bear that in mind. Not flimsy and cheap appearing, but they are a bit see-through because of the way that they're woven. Next up, by far, is my favorite and the least expensive option on this list. These are going to be the Gildan 50/50 blend or dry blend shirt. These can be found at $1.50. These shirts, in terms of size and cut, you can go true to size. Feel of the shirt, they're 50% cotton, so you're going to get a feel of a cotton tee. Drawback, though, is that these shirts do fade, as they are only 50% polyester. Total disclaimer, though, I intend for my shirts to fade it. Example, this vintage 90s looking tee. This is what I'm looking for. If you're not into that, that's fine too. These shirts are great for one-off options. These shirts are great for special occasions. Birthday parties, baby showers, family reunions. Anytime the shirt's not going to be worn all the time, it's just a commemorative piece, this is a great option. They also offer extended sizes, so anything over a 6X, they got you covered. But like I said though, these are the shirts that I go with the most. $1.50 and you can't go wrong. This shirt here has been washed over 20 times. So give me a minute, we'll turn on the heat press and we'll get you a fresh press. You'll see what it looks like when it's been done before it's been washed. Okay, instead of the normal 400 degrees that you would normally do for sublimation, I decided to change it to 390 because we're going to go with a 50/50 blend and I don't want to burn my garment. So I'll press at 390. We're going to press for 60 seconds. Before you press, you want to make sure you go ahead and get you a pre-press. This is going to make sure that you get all the moisture out of your garment. And also what you would do is you would get a lint brush, which I don't have at the moment. You would roll your item because you make sure that you have no lint. Because any lint that's on your garment is going to produce blue streaks in your print. So then after that, go ahead and center your item. Make sure that your t-shirt is on the platen, of course. Center, and I usually use the armpits to go as a guideline and make sure that I have equal parts on both sides. And that's a good measuring stick. So once you've done that, place your design. We got our image. 4 fingers down from the collar. Again, we're using our seams here. Equal distance. Medium pressure. 60 seconds. So, how's it going? Wow. Yeah, it's been a while. I know I say that often, but no, seriously though. I've been like all over the place. Well, I've been to Utah, and somewhere in between I've been to Maryland, I've seen the White House. I mean, I've been all over the place. But anyway, you. Wow. Awesome. Well, I mean, hey, always come back. Subscribe to the channel. We'll always have more times like this. 60 seconds is almost up, so let me go ahead and get this and we'll conclude. Sure, cost me like $3 to make. Not bad for a $3 t-shirt. So that's the conclusion of this video. If you guys would be so kind as to let me know in the comments below, what is your preferred method of printing? I'm eager to find out, and we'll build on that. Anyway, this is Miss Styles. You know the drill. Continue being kind, and I'll catch you on the next one.